Hello students, how are you doing? I'm glad to be with you for revision our lesson. Today we have to review Unit 5, Lesson 2. Unit 5, Lesson 2 is about object pronouns and prepositions of directions. The first one, what's object pronouns? Object pronouns is a word. It completes the sentence. Object pronoun is a word. It completes the sentence. Like what? Here we have the title. You cannot miss it. Where is object pronouns? It is object pronouns. And the second one, I want to tell you where is the place of object pronouns. Okay, object pronouns comes after the verb, the main verb. Why we say the main verb? Because sometimes we have help verb like can, and we have here miss is a main verb. So the first thing we said, object pronoun is a word that completes the sentence. The second thing, where is the place of object pronouns? It comes after the main verb. Okay, we have to know the object pronouns. Look at point 2 grammar. We have subject pronouns, object pronouns. Okay, subject pronouns we have I, you, he, she, it, we, they. And for object pronouns we have me, you, him, her, it, us, them. So if we use these pronouns as a subject, we have to say I for the first word of the sentence, I. But if we change this I for object pronouns, we have to change it for me. And the same meaning, I, me, they have the same meaning. But at the first of the word, at the first word of the sentence, we say it subject pronouns. Subject pronouns comes the first word of the sentence. It will be I. But if we change it for object pronouns, we change I for me. But you, the same you. It doesn't change. He, it will be him. She will be her. It, the same it. We change we for us and they for them. So these pronouns are called subject pronouns, and these pronouns are called object pronouns. We have to memorize all of them. If we don't memorize, we cannot differentiate between object pronouns and subject pronouns. And we have to know in the sentences which one is object pronouns. We said you, the same you, it, the same it. They don't change it. But the others, no, they will be changed. My dear students, we have to look at the examples here. You can find some of them and the others for you. I can show her the way. I can show her the way. Because of the name of the girl, we can use what? Her. Her is object pronoun. Object pronoun, we said, comes after the main verb show. And why don't you tell me? Tell me. Tell is a verb and me object pronoun. And if you look at some another examples, look at, there are many good examples. Like what? I'll ask her the way. Her is object pronoun. Excuse me. Excuse me. Me is object pronoun. Excuse is a verb. Me is object pronoun. Can you help us? How is a verb as object pronouns? And we have to read all of the sentences just for finding the object pronouns. And we said we have what? Prepositions of direction. What is preposition of direction? They are preposition. By these words we can find the place, the direction, the place. Look at here, across. If you look at the picture, you can know what is the meaning of across. And here, look at here, along. Look at the picture. Up, down, past, round, through, to, into. By these pictures, you can know what is the meaning of these prepositions of directions. But if you look at here again, the important point is object pronouns here. We said object pronouns are the words they complete the sentence, and the place of them, they come after the main verb. These are two good pointers that you have to memorize. And we said you have to memorize what is a subject pronouns and object pronouns. You can differentiate between them. And look at your notebooks. We wrote many good examples there. And look at your activity book, because in the activity book there are many exercises that you have to know for the exam. Good time for you students till another time.